2012 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is the BMW 4Runner. This full-size sedan has always represented the top of luxury and technology. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, power lift gate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.